Retirement Planner, honest review, watch before using. Retirement Planner is a workbook, not an app or website, that help you organize your finance, goal, and lifestyle plan before and after retirement. Great for beginners who want a clear place to start. And here are the major key features about this platform. So one of their key features is that they help you plan your income and budget for retirement. It also helps you let you track savings, investment, and debt. It also includes page for business ideas, passive income, location, and more. So it also offers these simple layouts which help you write down the following prompt. And here's the key important advantages on this platform. Key advantages on this platform, which is a beginner friendly with a covering everything. So you should think about the retirement, and also help you stay organized in one place. And here's the downside: it is not digital, so no automatic calculation or graph. You have to write and update everything manually. So no ideas if you prefer using app or online tools. And here's the final verdict: if you want a clear setup, step-by-step guide to plan for retirement, and you like writing down things, this is a solid choice. But if you want automatic update or digital tools, it might not feel so good for you. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. Thanks.